Good morning, guys. Today is day 5. Wow, we've done 5 days already today. Okay, let's start our day with our good morning song. You ready? Let's go.
Welcome, everybody. Let's all stand in a circle. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you today? Get ready to clap your hands. Hello, everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hello, everyone. Clap your hands. Clap your hands today. Now let's stomp our feet. Hello, everyone. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Hello, everyone. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet today. Now, should we touch our nose? Let's do it. Hello, everyone. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Hello, everyone. Touch your nose. Touch your nose today. Welcome, everybody. Let's have some fun. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you? How are you? Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you today?
Alright, guys, today we're going to look at all the different products we get on farms. Yesterday we spoke a little bit about apples and corn. Today we're speaking about wheat and mealies on the farm, and sugar and salt, and those are types of things that people farm. Alright, so if you have sugar at home and you have flour and yeast and salt and water, alright, what can we get when we put all of that together? What do you think? We can get bread. Yes, so you are going to bake bread today with mommy. Alright, teacher put all the instructions in your pack, but you are going to need flour, sugar, yeast, water and salt, and an oven. Alright, but the oven is not for little hands, it's only for mommy's hands or daddy's hands. Alright, and you must be careful that you don't burn. Alright, so enjoy making some bread today with mommy. Boys and girls, if you've mixed all your ingredients together, you are going to get dough. So that dough must rest for 1 hour. So while your dough is resting before you bake your bread, teacher wants you to do a little bit of farm animal muddy play. Alright? So that is where you're going to play in a little bit of edible mud, some chocolate pudding with all your farm animals. Alright, so they're going to roll in the mud. When they are done rolling in the mud, you are going to give them a nice wash with water and soap and a sponge. Alright, so you must remember that you must clean your farm animals before you put them away. Right, when you are done playing your muddy animal games, then your bread will go into the oven. And when it's in the oven, alright, you are going to play a little bit of farm animal sound matching. So that is where you are going to use an animal or a picture of a farm animal, and you must say this sound. So mommy must please either print you pictures of farm animals or you use the farm animals that you have. Alright? Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to build an enclosure for our animals that we're going to do an activity. So we need to build a square. So let's start
with our wooden blocks. All right, so let's open a space and let's start with one there and there and there. Good job, teacher. Well done. So we're building a square. Hey, boys and girls. Can you see what teacher's doing? Teacher is building a square. Alrighty. Let's have a look-see. And I'm using all my blocks. Oh, it's not looking really like a square, is it? So let's see. It looks more a little bit like a rectangle. But okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so there, guys. Okay, it's not really square yet. Teacher must try one more. Let's have a look in the container. If we can make it a little bit more square. So let's do it this way. Move that one up a little bit. Oops. There we go. Can you see my square? There we go. There's my square. So now, that was the one activity. The next activity is going to be with all our farm animals. So here I have the goat. And I have the donkey. I have the cow. I have a sheep. I have a pig. And I have a horse. Alright, so what teacher would like you to do is if we put one animal at a time inside the enclosure. So we put the pig in, alright, and we say the pig, that's a pig. What sound does the pig make? The pig makes so the pig is inside the enclosure. Pig, yes, pig. The next one is the cow. We put the cow inside the enclosure. Now, what color is the cow? The color for the cow is black and white. And what sound does the cow make? Moo. Moo. Yes. So, let's take the cow out. Now we've got the donkey. There's the donkey. And the donkey is brown. Yes, the donkey is brown. And what sound does a donkey make? Ee-haw, ee-haw. Yes, that's the sound the donkey makes. Next, we have the goat. Okay, and the goat say goat. And the goat goes ba, ba. And the second last one, we have the sheep. What color is the sheep? The sheep is white, yes. And the sheep goes meh, meh. And lastly, we have the horse. The horse is also brown, and the horse goes okay, guys. Teacher hopes you have fun with building your enclosure and discovering your animal names and the sounds that they make. All right. Teacher will see you just now.
When your bread is done baking, it must cool a little bit before you can cut into it. Alright, and then the last activity for today, you are going to make your own sandwich, alright, with the bread that you made. Boys and girls, let's go through our sound, number, shape and color quickly before we end of our day. Alright, our shape for this week was Sandy Square. Alright, and Sandy Square says Sandy Square is my name. My four sides are all the same. Our color was blue like the sky. Our sound was D for dog. D, dog. Woof, woof. D, dog. Alright. Our sign language D is like this, guys. It's like this. Alright, so this is D for dog. Okay, our number was 4 for this week. Show me 4 on your fingers again. 4. Good job. Alright, and we spoke about all the things on the farm. Alright guys, teacher will see you next week where we're going to talk about all the farm animals, where they live and what they eat and what they give us. Alright, teacher will see you next week. Be good, be safe, have a good weekend. Remember to wash your hands and wear your masks. Alright, goodbye.